Before we demold our master, this is a good time to briefly clean our mold so that it's presentable and stores easily along with our other molds. This is an optional step, but it's always nice to have a clean and tidy workspace, and that includes our molds themselves. The main area to clean up will be the edges of our mold. Flashing is common on the edges since our silicone will fill every void possible, including any of the small spaces and gaps that may be between our mold box walls. To clean this flashing, we can either use a pair of scissors to cut along our edges or an X-Acto knife. If we're using our X-Acto knife, then we'll simply place our mold onto our work surface, align our knife to the edge against the table, and then run the blade along the mold. This will give us a clean edge and a simple process that we can repeat for each side. Although this step is optional, it's a great way to elevate the molds we make and ensure a professional finish if we're doing work for a client.